How to make your Facebook account private. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can make our Facebook profile or Facebook account private. Without further delay, let's get started with this video. In order to hide your profile from your non-friends or the public, you can use the lock profile feature in the Facebook. So in order to use the lock profile feature, you have to get to your profile page. For that, open a Facebook application, make sure to log in. From your home page, navigate to top left corner and tap on your profile. Once you're on your profile page, tap on the three dot icon next to the edit profile button. So on this page, you will see an option as lock profile. Tap on it. With this information, tap on lock your profile. And with that, now your profile is locked and then your Facebook account is private. But if this feature is not available in your account, then you have to manually configure the settings. So for that, what you have to do is head towards your home page. From here, tap on the profile icon at the top right with the three line. Here, tap on settings. Once you're under settings and privacy, scroll down a bit and under audience and visibility, tap on how people find and contact you, and here try to make all these settings limited. Tap on the first option that says who can send you friend request, and from there select the second option, then tap on save. Again, tap on who can see your friend list, then tap on only me, then tap on save. And here make sure the toggle here it says do you want to use search engines outside of Facebook to link your profile. Make sure the feature is or the toggle is turned off. Now just above that, there you have two options, people with your email address or people with your phone number, and make sure that you have selected no one as the options or as the audience right here. Now once you have done that, you can go back and head towards your post. Tap on post and here it says who can see your future post. Tap on it and from there simply tap on only me and then tap on save. These settings will help you make your Facebook profile private from public. These are the way to make your Facebook profile private. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.